Have you ever wondered about how technology is shaping our world? The term artificial intelligence, AI, is used to describe how advanced computers and robots have become in their abilities to think, learn, and understand, all of which are hallmarks of human intellect. Since the 1940s, computers have been able to perform remarkable tasks, such as solving difficult math problems and playing chess at a high level. In contrast to humans, however, they are still incapable of performing activities that require common knowledge or a wide range of abilities. However, AI has advanced to the level of human professionals in medical diagnosis, search engines, voice recognition, and chatbots. It's quite fascinating how artificial intelligence is becoming more common in our daily lives and even in business operations. Think about this technology making its way into the healthcare field. What a game changer this could be for patients, doctors, hospitals, insurance companies, and pharmaceutical companies. This is an exciting area where artificial intelligence is starting to make waves. In today's video, we will talk about how AI is already shaking things up, making the patient experience more satisfying, changing the way doctors work, and even giving the pharmaceutical world a makeover. Let's look at some of the amazing ways that AI is already demonstrating its power. Our healthcare system is going through a tough time with all of these challenges, such as the effects of the pandemic, lifestyle-related diseases, and an aging and growing population. It's putting a lot of strain on everything. But there's good news. AI has the potential to really transform healthcare. It can make it more affordable, improve outcomes, and tailor treatment plans for patients. It can help us create smarter processes and workflows that do things automatically, making our lives easier and saving us money. It's all about improving efficiency and cutting costs, and it could also help us come up with new treatments and drugs, catch diseases sooner, and give us personalized care. Did you know that some experts believe that healthcare could be the sector most impacted by the Fourth Industrial Revolution? It's pretty fascinating to think about. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is basically the term used to describe the current time when technology is advancing super fast. It's all thanks to cool things like artificial intelligence, robotics, and other awesome technologies. These technologies can really revolutionize healthcare in so many ways. It could help us develop new treatments and cures for diseases, improve the quality of care, and make healthcare more accessible to everyone. If you're feeling curious and eager to learn more about how AI is being used, then keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos on similar topics. How is AI now being used in healthcare? When it comes to healthcare, AI is like a superhero that completely alters the landscape. And what do you know? It's now performing some quite interesting actions. Look at these. Radiology gets a boost. Have you heard of the scans that doctors use? Artificial intelligence is becoming rather good at verifying them. Radiologists are provided with the equivalent of a highly intelligent assistant. Artificial intelligence can highlight key areas on scans, reducing time and the potential for error. It even teaches itself to read scans, which might revolutionize things in places where doctors are hard to come by, or when it's late at night. Recent advancements have also emerged in the utilization of MRI and CT scans for the detection of malignancies. That's what you call a victorious battle against cancer. And you know what else is awesome? A business created an AI platform to interpret cardiac MRI scans, and the Food and Drug Administration in the United States approved it. That is the joy AI has brought. Revolutionizing drug discovery. AI is actually playing a huge role in revolutionizing drug discovery. It's quite remarkable how artificial intelligence is making such a big impact in this field. Isn't it incredible how AI can dive into huge databases and discover fresh ways to combat diseases? Imagine AI going through all the medicines we already have and giving them a cool upgrade to take on scary viruses like Ebola. It actually helps speed up the development of new drugs and get them on the market faster. When those annoying bugs show up, AI is here to lend a hand. Proceeding with caution. Through the analysis of vast volumes of medical data, artificial intelligence is adopting the role of an investigator, aiding doctors in recognizing individuals who could be susceptible to future illnesses. AI is keeping an eye on patients to see if they might need to come back to the hospital within 30 days of being discharged. Hospitals and businesses both want to make sure that patients don't have to come back for treatment again. AI is actually making some amazing progress in predicting heart problems just by looking at a photo of your eye. It's pretty mind-blowing, right? The crystal ball is so futuristic. Direct chat with a doctor. Imagine this. How about having AI as your personal medical advisor? Did you know that organizations are now developing AI buddies that can have conversations with you? It's pretty cool. These AI buddies can assist you with basic tasks so you won't have to make as many trips to the doctor's office for minor issues. Guess what? That's great because it benefits people in remote areas and also relieves some of the burden on doctors. But hold on, here's the thing. These AI buddies are still being tested to ensure they're really safe and effective. We really want them to be super reliable. When it comes to healthcare, what difficulties does AI face? When it comes to making AI work in healthcare, there are a bunch of challenges we need to tackle. Just picture this. You have this incredible, intelligent AI that is eager to assist doctors in making even better decisions. The thing is, it really requires a lot of patient data to learn from, and that's where the problems arise. Firstly, protecting the anonymity of patients is crucial. Medical records are kind of like those top-secret files you see in movies. When we share data with AI companies, it makes us wonder, who actually owns this data? Do you think hospitals should sell their data to AI companies? What about patient privacy, though? We need to find a way to protect that. There is also the issue of poor data quality. Healthcare information can be scattered all over the place, unlike data from airplanes or cars. Doctors' notes can be a real mess sometimes, right? It's like trying to decipher a secret code. It's like when you have data from different places. It's kind of like having puzzle pieces from different boxes. Also, we should think about how recent regulations like GDPR in Europe come into play. The European Union put in place this regulation, known as the General Data Protection Regulation. It's all about giving people more control over their personal data and making sure organizations handle it properly. And if companies don't play by the rules, they can end up facing some hefty fines. It can be a bit overwhelming to navigate through all of that. Regulating AI in healthcare is comparable to trying to grasp a mist. AI is constantly learning and evolving, making it quite challenging to keep track. So if they're going around diagnosing people by themselves, does that make them doctors as well? Do they need licenses? Who would be held responsible if something went wrong? And if they did, would insurance cover these digital assistants? But we can't forget about the human side of things. It's important too. Doctors are often enjoyable to chat with because it feels like a personal conversation. Are you really going to trust AI to diagnose you? That's quite a leap. And doctors should also be open to the idea, don't you think? It takes time to get them on board because they're used to fax machines in the age of smartphones. What about artificial intelligence in healthcare? It was definitely exciting, but there were a few hiccups along the way. Concerns about privacy, jumbled data, unfamiliar regulations, and the requirement for everyone to feel at ease with AI documentation must be addressed. It's kind of like trying to solve a puzzle, but the pieces keep changing shape. What do you think about the future of AI? In the next few years, one of the coolest things AI can do in healthcare is work together with doctors. Just picture doctors having a cool sidekick. AI will help them out with diagnosing patients, planning treatments, identifying potential risks, and the list goes on. But as of now, doctors are still the ones in charge. This awesome combo of humans and AI is making doctors feel more at ease. They won't feel like they're giving their job to robots, you know? Instead, you'll get a reliable assistant that helps you get things done faster and more efficiently. And patients also benefit. This combo really helps improve patient health and makes hospitals run more smoothly. It's all about striking the right balance between the incredible capabilities of AI and the expertise of doctors. Doctors can step into the future without feeling like they're giving up control. And that's how we're going to see some amazing changes in healthcare that will make everyone happy. So there you have it. It's pretty tough out there in the healthcare system with the aging population and all the chronic diseases going around. It's definitely making things even more challenging. We're all putting our heads together to come up with some really creative and clever solutions. AI has definitely made some attempts to help out, but there's still plenty of room for improvement. It's been getting a lot of attention lately, but thankfully, it hasn't really caused any major disruptions in the healthcare system. AI has the potential to be a total game changer in shaping the future of healthcare. It can have a huge impact on how hospitals and clinics run, Though we're not quite there yet, there could be some really fascinating developments waiting for us down the line. Let's find out what occurs when medical care and modern technology combine. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting upcoming videos.